management,
Yun yung path niya.
mindset. Actually, this one, parang,
Pero yun nga, how did you guys
Yo,
like
yun,
convince her to...
yun din ang tatanong ko.
Oo.
Anong,
Oo.
um,
Ano yung nagpa-sweeten nung
nagpas, oo,
there's
sa
a history behind working with Alice, working with me, batchmate ko siya sa Valentin
BP,
before, so we work together. I guess, to simply put it, talagang maganda yung naging working relationship. As easy as that. And, yeah, si Alice naman yung Candice, madali ko sa we just come to terms sa kung ano yung bayan.
As long as she's physically able pa, tapos
Ang galing.
Basically yun.
nagsasayaw pa si Candice sa
Yes.
ayun
Yeah,
talaga.
she's coming from a gig before she could fly dito. So yun, meron pa rin naman siyang projects here and there. The major production, talagang bibira.
I'm sure you're very excited for this one.
Oh, to put up a production this time.
Oo.
Mahirap na eh, walang pera, pero good thing we're doing it.
Financially, okay. Pero of course, better kung mas madami nga.
Exactly. And anong problema lang naman, secure the salary sa mga dancers. Kasi sila core ng
Hindi full time nila. I was telling you kanina, na all five of the teasers that you showed us, sobrang strong,
Sobrang powerful.
It's not like yung usual na great.
Correct.
We're glad na you showed us that.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga kay Ma'am Agnes kanina, teaser pa lang, wala na akong tanong. Gusto ko nang dumiretso sa full production niya.
Yeah, I think that's what actually separates us from other companies. Yung range ng
Yeah, yung repertoire nga.
I mean, we have dancers like that sa Gracie. Wala pa. The idea nga of a mixed space to show everything.
Yeah.
Kaya maganda rin na, well, yun nga, may question dyan na bakit inulit ko? Kasi we staged this before, bakit inulit? And Alice mentioned it before na yung generation ng artists, kailangan nyo rin subaybayan. Kasi sila yung makikita nyo rin. Hindi rin practice dito sa Philippines yung ulitin mo yung...
Oo nga, no? Na dire-diretso.
We're also trying to educate, that's all. But encourage them to watch again and again. Because it will be different.
Yung lahat ba nung palabas, lahat nung sayaw ngayon ay napalabas na before? Or
Except for
May isa yata world
yung
premiere.
naka-black, yung mga maraming...
yung marami, yung chorus na sinasabi?
Galing nun.
Yung world premiere.
But yes.
Galing. Naalala ko yung time sa CCT, yung sa Wi-Fi bodies, di ba? Yun yung nag-encourage ng mga new composition, choreography. Parehas lang din ako natin. Composition or choreography. Na pinaghalo lahat yung mga genre, iba-iba.
Yeah, it's a good program.
Meron ba kayong ganun ngayon na program for your students na magkaroon sila ng iba't ibang...
Recently we had One Tamad, in which we incorporated music, dance, and singing.
Wow.
Is that the one
Na-miss
where
ko yun.
kumanta?
Na-miss ko yung One Tamad rin.
Nagsasalita siya, nagkukwento.
Nice.
So it's a very theatrical thing na si Tito Odi,
Odi Amor.
encourage us na, you can do that, kayo lang yung company na can do it. Bring them something different.
Saka they're able to explore their other
Skills pala na pwede.
Yeah, na-excite din sila.
Parang anong tawag doon? Musical dance theater, no? Musical na rin.
Pero sila lang yung marunong mag-ballet.
Nag-ballet na kumakanta.
Yung ibang mga musical actors, hindi man naman marunong. Ayun, sige. Alright, congratulations.
Sige sir, thank you sir, congrats.